welcome back to my channel. Do you guys want to see how I turned this bar cart from this to this? Guys, I purchased it from Walmart and I'm excited to share with you just how I styled this beautiful bar cart. Stay tuned. Hi everybody, it's Deidra. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to my home. In today's video, I am so excited. I am sharing with you guys something that I have been keeping under wraps for a couple weeks now. I am redoing this house with all new spring decor. I have been ordering things and sharing them with you guys. Now I have the one big surprise that I am ready for you guys to see, and I am going to reveal it. And it is my bar cart. Guys, I purchased a bar cart to go in my living room. Now, originally, I did not know if I was going to put it in my living room or my bedroom. I actually started out saying that on my other channel, Deidra She Dazzling, I was telling everybody, I think I'm going to put a bar cart in my bedroom. Well, that kind of went south because my bedroom is kind of small. So I decided to go ahead and put it in my living room. Now, with that being said, let me share with you guys my bar cart because I want to show it to you guys and explain the way that I went with it as I go along, okay? So guys, here it is here. Guys, I picked this bar cart up from Walmart, and as you can see, I don't remember, but this is what I paid for it, and I was so excited about it. I knew that I didn't want anything big. I wanted something small, so I did pick up this small bar cart for less than $50. Now, I don't know if you guys know this or not, but Ebates, I also use Ebates. I will leave a link below in the description box. You guys can go sign up with Ebates. You're gonna get a $10 bonus just for signing up with Ebates. And as soon as you make your first purchase, guess what? Your $10 will be available. Plus, you're going to get cash back off every purchase that you make. So when you're shopping online, always go to Ebates first, log in, and then type in the store that you're going to shop in. For example, Walmart. Go ahead and do your normal shopping, and as you check out, you're going to have cash back in your account, and you'll get a check every 3 months. Okay? So with that being said, I picked up this beautiful bar cart, and because I have so many children in and out of my home, I did not want to do all liquor on my bar cart. I didn't think that that would be appropriate because I have children that come in and out. So I said, you know what, I want to do something fun and cute and just, you know, add a little pop to the living room and a little bit more of, you know, personality to my living room area. So guys, I decided to mix it up and make it fun. So let me share with you guys. I also have a DIY that I did with the bar cart as well. It's so simple. You're going to be like, ah, why didn't I think of this? So yeah, let's jump into how I styled the bar carts. So I'm going to start off by placing one of these beautiful candle holders that I DIY'd previously for my cocktail table. I placed that on there because I think that is so cute. Also, I don't know why I'm not in frame, but I actually put a candle on top of this to show you guys as well. I'm adding the rosé that I picked up from Target, and it's a sparkling rosé, a couple champagne glasses, and remember the cute little metallic bunny. I added the bunny. I think it's so cute. Next shelf, guys, I am going to actually share with you that DIY, but those are two bowls that I am going to place something in. And then also I put another one of those DIYs at the bottom, added a couple martini glasses, and I think it looks cute. And so also, guys, I was trying to figure out what did I want to put inside of those bowls that I did the DIY on, and I wanted to spruce it up a little bit, so I decided to put these little Dollar Tree, kind of like a Cadbury egg in them, and they have these beautiful metallic coverings on them. So I just added that to the candy dish that I made. I thought I was going to add both packages, but one of them was just fine. So I added that and set it back up there. And then next I decided, you know what? I think I'm going to go ahead and add some candy to the champagne glasses as well. And I noticed that they needed to be shined up a little bit more. So I took my time, because the worst thing in the world is to have champagne or wine glasses on your table and they have spots in them. So yeah. So after I get through dropping and losing all the candy, what actually gets into the glass ends up being super cute. So I fill up these two glasses with it, and just the metallic paper that's wrapped on them makes it look so gorgeous. And then I add my other little bunny and we are done. Okay guys, so I'm excited. This is how my bar cart turned out. Isn't it cute, cute, cute? Guys, I love this bar cart. I think it turned out so cute. I think the bunnies really has it looking so cute. The little Easter egg chocolate eggs look so inviting. And I think even though it has champagne glasses and sparkling rosé, I think it's still is cute enough yet respectful enough that children can run across it and kind of think, oh, that's cute. Can I get some candy? But at the same time, I think that adults will love it as well. So let me know in the comments below how you guys liked it. Tell me what you think I should add or take away, if anything, okay? Thank you so much for watching, guys. I had a ball trying to figure out what to put up here. I think I did a great job. And I hope you guys stick around for more. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit that subscribe button and you will get to see more home decor videos as I crank them out. Alright guys, and until the next spring decor video, bye!